Mastering negotiation skills, tips for business success. Want to close bigger deals, earn more respect, and win more often in business? It all starts with mastering the art of negotiation. And today, we're giving you the blueprint. Why you need to watch. In business, strong negotiation skills aren't just helpful, they're essential. In this video, you'll learn the top negotiation strategies that successful entrepreneurs, executives, and dealmakers use to consistently get what they want, without burning bridges. Negotiation is a cornerstone of success in the business world. It impacts everything from securing favorable deals to building lasting relationships. Effective negotiation is also key to resolving conflicts and maximizing profits. Mastering negotiation skills is not just beneficial, it's crucial for entrepreneurs and business leaders. It involves a blend of careful preparation, strategic thinking, and clear communication. Let's explore how you can elevate your negotiation prowess. Thorough preparation is the bedrock of any successful negotiation. Before you even sit down at the table, you need to do your homework. This involves understanding your own goals and priorities. Equally important is researching the other party's needs and interests. What are their motivations? What are they hoping to achieve? Identifying their potential constraints is also crucial. What limitations or pressures are they facing? Knowing your walk-away point is non-negotiable. This is the minimum acceptable outcome for you. Avoid unfavorable deals by clearly defining your limits beforehand. Anticipate potential counter-arguments from the other side. Develop persuasive responses to strengthen your position. Strategic thinking is a key element in the art of negotiation. It's about choosing the right approach for each unique situation. Consider whether a collaborative or competitive style is most appropriate. Collaborative approaches aim for win-win outcomes. This is where both parties feel they've gained something valuable. Win-win scenarios are particularly beneficial for fostering long-term relationships. However, competitive strategies may be necessary in certain situations. Understand the power dynamics at play. Leverage your strengths to your advantage. Mitigate your weaknesses by being aware of them and planning accordingly. Utilize tactics like anchoring, which involves setting an initial price or condition. Employ framing to present information in a way that favors your position. Make concessions strategically, not haphazardly. Each concession should be carefully considered and contribute to your overall goals. Effective communication is the cornerstone of any successful negotiation. Active listening is absolutely crucial. Pay close attention to both verbal and nonverbal cues. Strive to truly understand the other party's perspective. Clearly articulate your own needs and interests. Use persuasive language to convey your message effectively. Building rapport is essential for fostering trust. Remain calm even under pressure. Manage your emotions effectively to avoid making rash decisions. Learn how to handle difficult personalities with grace and professionalism. This skill can be invaluable in high-stakes negotiations. Continuous learning and practice are essential for honing your negotiation skills. Seek feedback on your performance from trusted colleagues or mentors. Analyze past negotiations to identify areas for improvement. Study successful negotiators and learn from their strategies. Understand cultural nuances, especially in international settings. Adapt your approach accordingly to respect cultural differences. Mastering negotiation is more than just getting a good deal. It's about building strong, lasting relationships. It's about resolving conflicts effectively and efficiently. Ultimately, it drives business success by enabling you to secure favorable outcomes. Focus on preparation, strategy, and communication to elevate your skills. Improve your ability to negotiate favorable outcomes in all aspects of your business. Strong negotiation skills are key to winning deals, building partnerships, and boosting business success. To master negotiation, focus on active listening, clear communication, and preparation. Understand the other party's needs, stay calm under pressure, and aim for win-win outcomes. Using strategies like anchoring, body language control, and emotional intelligence can give you a major edge. With practice, you'll close better deals and grow your influence. Achieve your business goals through effective negotiation. It's an investment that will pay dividends for years to come. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.